Now that you have your local testing server set up, it would be a good time to set up your live production environment as well. Remember, once you develop the website on your local machine, you'll need to transfer the site to a server which is accessible by internet users. As we mentioned earlier, cloud hosting is likely the best option as a hosting solution for a website of any size. Once we set up our production server, all the websites we create will be hosted on this server. When it comes to cloud hosting providers, there are many to choose from. The provider you decide to use will depend entirely on the size and complexity of your web application. If your goal is to create something to the tune of a large-scale digital streaming service for movies, such as Netflix, you would need a highly scalable solution on a very powerful cloud computing infrastructure. Something like this would be best suited for Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. Each of these companies have access to the largest data centers in the world and can scale to accommodate the resource requirements of just about any project, regardless of the size and complexity. They also allow the highest degree of flexibility and control of your system. As you probably guessed, these cloud hosting providers are relatively more expensive than some of the other smaller scale cloud hosting providers such as Linode or DigitalOcean. Although their data centers are smaller, they do provide reliable, cost-effective solutions for small to large-scale web applications. Their interface is geared towards beginners and much easier to use than the larger competitors. For example, the Amazon Cloud Hosting Service can be fairly complex, even for experienced administrators. Keep in mind that regardless of which provider you decide to use, the server configuration process will always be the same.